Hi Monica, I have an idea for a science assignment. Let's draw a flower pot with flowers and put this picture on the cover page for our assignment.
Sounds like a great idea. You know that we can use GIMP tools to make this picture look really special?
Yes, Monica. Let's explore GIMP to make a special picture.
GIMP is one of the most popular open source image editing software. The full form of GIMP is GNU Image Manipulation Program. It is used for free-form drawing, image resizing and cropping, image correction, and more specialized tasks. To draw in GIMP, first open the GIMP software. To open GIMP, click the Start button. Select All Programs. Select GIMP 2. The GIMP interface appears. The different parts of GIMP interface are Image Area, Toolbox, Dockable Dialogues. To create a new image in GIMP, go to the File menu, click the New option. The Create a New Image dialog box appears. This allows you to set the width, height, background color, and other image-related options. Select 640 by 480 option from Template drop-down list. Template option provides various predefined sizes for an image. The default unit for image size is pixels, but you can also choose different other units, for example, inches, meters. Click the OK button. A new blank image drawing area appears. Among several paint tools in GIMP, the pencil tool can be used to draw a flower pot with flowers. It acts like a normal pencil, which is used to draw images or sketches in GIMP. To draw a flower pot with flowers, click the Tools menu. Go to the Paint Tools option. Select the Pencil tool. The Pencil tool is activated. Keeping the left mouse button pressed, drag to draw the pot, plant, flowers, and leaves. Release the mouse button once you complete the figure. The final image will look similar to the one showed. To save the GIMP file, click the File menu, select Save option. The Save Image dialog box opens. Type the file name as flower pot and choose a location. Press the Save button. A GIMP file is saved with the .xcf file extension.
Vicky, this is so interesting. I would love to use GIMP to draw more pictures.
You are right, Monica. I have also learned a lot today on how to draw freehand pictures.